Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to explain about what is Node.js and why we should use the Node.js for the web application programming. So let's start. In any web application, we will have client program, server program, and database. Client program always we use HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. It is standards. Now, coming to the server program. Now, server program can be developed by Java or .NET or Python. Nowadays, we can use the Node.js. So, technically, Node.js is a execution environment for the JavaScript programs. Again, I will repeat, Node.js is a execution environment for JavaScript programs like JDK for Java or JDK or JRE for Java, .NET runtime for the .NET, and Python execution environment for the Python. So likewise, same way, Node.js is the execution environment for the JavaScript. So, sir, what are the advantages of using the Node.js as a server programming methodology? Very simple. The first point, JavaScript can be used for the server programming. So far, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript is used for only client-side programming. Now, if I use the Node.js as the execution environment at the server side, I can use the JavaScript program for server-side processing also. Now, what is advantage with this one? Very important advantage is with the same front-end team, I can work as a back-end operations also. An UI developer without any new technologies or new learning, he can become a full stack programmer. Sir, who is a full stack programmer? Who have the knowledge on client side development as well as the server side development. So if I use the Node.js execution environment, I no need to learn Java or .NET or Python. By using same JavaScript technology, I'm going to work for server side also. Next, very important one, how to integrate your client side with the server side. The same person is developing the client side and server side can integrate very easily. The same way, we can use a JavaScript as a client side and server side, and so that the same person can work on the front end as well as the back end, can integrate our application in very easy way. Now, performance. Another big advantage of using the Node.js is performance is very high, sir. When we compare with the Java processing, when we compare with the .NET processing, your Node.js performance is very high. So these are the most selling points for our Node.js as a server-side environment. Now you understand what is Node.js. Thank you.